Hey, what's up, fam? If you thought AI was slowing down, buckle up because we're about to hit turbo speed. Everyone's been saying AI will plateau. We're reaching the limit, blah, blah, blah. But the reality, we're nowhere near the finish line. The real game changer isn't bigger models or more training data, it's how AI thinks. And OpenAI just proved it with a new model that does something wildy. We're talking system two thinking, deeper reasoning, and AI making decisions like humans, but faster. Let's break it all down. So here's the deal. AI has been improving because we keep making models bigger, more data, more compute, higher cost. The problem? Training these monster models costs hundreds of millions, and at some point that becomes unsustainable. But OpenAI just dropped a major shift with their new model, Zero One, that thinks before it speaks. Instead of just spitting out the fastest answer, it stops, processes, and reasons through its response. Kind of like how you pause before answering a tough question. Why does this matter? One, AI will no longer just guess, it will actually reason. Two, instead of just predicting words, it will break down complex logic step by step. Three, and instead of just being fast, it will be strategic, which means way more advanced decision making. Imagine AI that can solve problems better than humans, not just with brute force, but with actual critical thinking. That's where we're headed. This shift reminds me of what happened with AI poker bots. Back in 2015, they tried to beat human pros by just training on billions of hands. Guess what? They lost badly. But when researchers added system two thinking, giving AI time to analyze moves, suddenly it was unbeatable. Now apply that same concept to everything AI touches. Business strategy, AI will outthink execs. Scientific research, AI will solve things we don't even understand yet. Your job? Let's just say if you're not using AI, AI will replace you. The big takeaway, the AI revolution isn't just continuing, it's about to accelerate. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left in the dust. If you think this whole AI thinking like humans thing is new, let's rewind to chess and go. Back in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue made history by beating world champion Garry Kasparov. But here's the thing. It wasn't just raw speed that won. Deep Blue took time to analyze moves, calculating thousands of possible outcomes before making a decision. That's system two thinking in action. Fast forward to 2016, and DeepMind's AlphaGo shocked the world by defeating top Go player Lee Sedol. Go is the way more complex than chess. There are more possible moves than atoms in the universe. But AlphaGo wasn't just following patterns. It was reasoning, predicting, and even making creative plays humans had never seen before. Now, imagine AI doing this in the real world. Medicine, AI will analyze thousands of medical cases to diagnose diseases before symptoms even show. Finance, AI will predict market shifts before investors even blink. Politics, AI will strategize better than entire think tanks and influence decisions globally. And we're not talking about 10 years from now. To ask yourself, are you using AI to think ahead? Or is AI already outthinking you? So, is AI about to hit a wall? Nah, it's about to hit warp speed. And the biggest question now, are you ready? Drop a comment below. Are you excited or terrified? Because this is happening whether we like it or not. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI news. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and go get that bag.